December 2nd today, and it's like 60 degrees, almost 50 or something. Just no snow yet. Car. Just beautiful. And the car all around, of course. Yes. Cattle, we got them out there. Well guys, it's December 4th, it's 32 degrees, and we're under a blizzard warning. And I haven't been outside yet, but it's really foggy, and it's supposed to rain first, and then freezing rain, and then snow, and then maybe 60-mile-per-hour winds from the north. Not raining yet. Is it icy? Oh yeah, the wind's coming up. Winds from the northwest. This is going to be interesting. It's really warm out. I don't have a coat on though. It's icy here. It looks icy. No. Look at the steam coming out of my dryer. I'm going to go over and look at that. Steam coming out of my dryer. It's all wet there. It's working. Well, it's now that time, and it's freezing rain, and it's windy and cold. We might have some power outages on slippery roads. There's sleet and freezing rain coming down. It's so slippery. Wonderful, huh? Well, if the power goes out, I got this right here. Right? Backup furnace. It's always nice to have backup heat if your power goes out. That's for sure. Well, it's 28 degrees and the power's flashed 6 times so far. And we got freezing rain. And it's now snowing and the wind's gusting from the northwest at 60 miles per hour. And so I don't know. We'll see if they lose power. So the trees are just moving. You look down here. See it there, grass is finally getting. You can see the trees over in the distance, they're just moving, looking like a blizzard. So if power goes out, I guess I'll vlog it. First major blizzard we had this year. Open the window here and it'll just blow you away, I think. Gusts every once in a while. We've had stronger ones than that. That's just a little one. Power flashed here about 10 times. So far it's still steady. Had freezing rain first, and then we have snow, blizzard, and then on top of that other things. You can see it's just blowing around. My furnace turned on again. See if you can see the steam come out down there. I just lit. I don't see any steam. I'm blowing it that way. That's all solid ice there. See, it's black. That's solid ice. Like flakes.